Gotta get these down to 97 foot-pound. Step 1. DCF911 half-inch drive. Dewalt. It had to work. It had to work a little bit. That's not fair. The battery's about dead. Okay, let's try it again with at least 2 bars. Let's give it a fighting chance. Let's try again. A little bit better. Once we get that full charge, it'll come all the way off. I was running out of daylight to charge it all the way up. Still not bad. Milwaukee Stubby 3/8 drive, 2562-20, 5 amp hour. Didn't have to work as hard. This one goes up to 550 foot-pounds of nut busting torque. This one goes up to 400 foot-pounds of nut busting torque. Both great impacts. They're both about 2.2 pounds a piece. This one came in tool only, $119. This came in tool, charger, battery for $270. Comes with the 3 LEDs. This one has the 3 LEDs. Hope you liked the video. If you did, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. If you learned anything out of this, remember, never impact your lug nuts back on. You're gonna over tighten them. You don't want that. All right.